Get as comfortable as you can in your chair. Let your hands rest loosely in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. Then let it go completely. Take another deep breath, and as you do, imagine you are breathing into love. As you exhale, you are sending out forgiveness. Take a third deep breath in and hold it for a moment. As you exhale completely, you feel all of the worries of the day being released and a sensation of relaxation beginning to fill your body. It enters at the top of your head and spreads down over your face, neck, and shoulders. This relaxing feeling now expands along your back, down your legs, and out through your feet. It is as if relaxation is a constant flow of soothing energy entering from your head and passing out through your toes. Continue to breathe softly as we go on a journey in our minds. Picture the view from the front porch of a log cabin deep in the woods at the base of a lush, green mountain. You are on vacation, and for this trip you are leaving all of your worldly cares and concerns behind you. The smell of the pine trees in the warm morning sun is pleasant as you sit in your comfortable chair, enjoying the peace and serenity that surrounds you. Fog gently rolls off the mountainside as the sun evaporates the morning dew. Birds are singing, and their song seems to call you into the forest. You slowly rise from your chair and walk down the 3 steps that lead to the ground below. There is a path near the cabin that leads into a dense part of the forest. The trees are so thick that you can see very far down the path. As you enter the path, a cool, moist breeze gently caresses your face, bringing with it a sweet-smelling fragrance. The path meanders along through the woods, curving around giant oak trees with flowering vines, stringing through them and forming a beautiful canopy above you that stretches in every direction. A rabbit lazily hops by you with 8 little ones following closely behind her. They stop and turn toward you, as if they have no fear of you. Then they turn and continue on their journey, disappearing behind some small shrubs. You walk further through the woods, and in the distance you can hear the sound of rushing water. You leave the path and walk in the direction of the water. As you near the water, the canopy of the forest opens up to reveal a soft blue sky. Not a cloud in sight. In this opening, a creek cascades off the edge of a cliff and gently falls into a clear pool, surrounded by rocks. On the other side of the pond you see some deer drinking the cool, fresh water as dragonflies flutter across the surface of the rippling pool. The water flows away into the forest, nourishing all that lies within it. There is an opening in the cliff behind the waterfalls. The morning sun is feeling very warm, so you decide to find relief in the cool shelter of the rock. Behind the water, the air is very cool and moist. It soothes your skin from the heat of the sun. Looking through the water, you can see all the colors of the rainbow performing an elegant dance as the sun's light reflects off the water. Even the trees and rocks on the other side seem to be melting into various shapes and colors as the water glides through the air. You reach out your hand to touch the water and find it to be a pleasant temperature. Without thinking, you take a few steps forward and stand inside the water as it falls around you to the earth. You take a drink of the water and it tastes clean and pure. Refreshing after your walk through the forest. As you look out at the pond from the waterfalls, you notice frogs jumping into the water and turtles basking in the sun on some of the rocks. Their shells shine in the bright sun. Being in the presence of such majesty fills your heart with joy and gratitude. You are overcome by feelings of peace and serenity. Continue to look around you at the glorious view, enjoying every moment. An eagle soars above you, effortlessly floating in the breeze. As you step out of the water and back into the warm sun, you notice a flower-covered bush with colorful butterflies surrounding it. This truly is a magnificent place. But it is time to head back to the cabin, so you walk back in the direction of the path. Back into the cool forest. Squirrels are leaping through the trees in a playful game. Walking further, you can see the entrance to the forest next to the cabin. You leave the woods and slowly walk up the steps to the porch, sitting once more where you began the day in the comfortable chair. But now you have a feeling of peace and joy. Remember that you can return to a place of peace anytime you want by simply closing your eyes and saying to yourself, I can choose peace rather than this. Take one last deep breath, and as you exhale, begin to wiggle your toes and fingers. When you are ready, open your eyes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.